BMW M240i Coupe. The BMW M240i is powered by a 3-liter straight-six engine complete with direct injection and Performance TwinPower Turbo technology with twin-scroll turbocharging, fully variable valve timing VALVETRONIC and double VANOS variable camshaft control. This unit generates output of 250 kilowatts/340 HP and maximum torque of 500 Nm 369 pounds-feet, which can be summoned from Oslo down as 1520 RPM and remains on tap up to 4500 RPM. It all adds up to make the BMW M240i Coupe a thoroughbred athlete with exceptional performance capabilities. With the 6-speed manual gear shift, the coupe sprints from 0 to 100 km/h 62 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds, while top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h 155 miles per hour. Combined fuel consumption for the manual transmission comes in at 7.8 liters/100 km 36.2 miles per gallon and equating to CO2 emissions of 179 grams/kilometers. The optional 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission further heightens the dynamic driving experience, enabling the BMW M240i Coupe to reach the 100 km/h 62 miles per hour mark from rest in just 4.6 seconds. Fuel consumption combined 7.1 liters/100 km 39.8 miles per gallon and CO2 emissions combined 163 grams/kilometers. Performance is even more eye-catching in the BMW M240i xDrive Coupe thanks to its intelligent all-wheel drive. Equipped with the 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission as standard, it surges from 0 to 100 km/h 62 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, while returning combined fuel consumption of 7.4 liters/100 km 38.2 miles per gallon and CO2 emissions of 169 grams/kilometers. BMW M240i Coupe 2018 BMW M240i Coupe. The BMW M240i convertible is slightly heavier by design, yet its performance is no less remarkable. It completes the 0 to 100 km/h 62 miles per hour sprint in 4.9 seconds with the 6-speed manual gearbox and in 4.7 seconds when fitted with the 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission. It achieves a combined fuel consumption with the manual gear shift of 8.3 liters/100 km 34.0 miles per gallon and resulting in CO2 emissions of 189 grams/kilometers, while the figures for the automatic transmission are 7.4 liters/100 km 38.2 miles per gallon and CO2 emissions of 169 grams/kilometers. The BMW M240i xDrive convertible powers from 0 to 100 km/h 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. Equipped as standard with the 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission, combined fuel consumption comes in at 7.8 liters/100 km 36.2 miles per gallon and with CO2 emissions of 179 grams/kilometers. Precisely matched components, inimitable character. Both BMW and Performance models leave the factory shot with high-performance mixed-size tires as standard, with dimensions of 225/40 at the front and 245/35 at the rear. Leaving aside their sporty looks for a moment, they are designed first and foremost to ensure acceleration and braking force is transmitted to the road to optimum effect. The inimitable character of the BMW M240i Coupe and BMW M240i convertible stems from the way the engine's powered. The M Sport suspension, the M Sport brakes and the car's aerodynamic balance all work together so precisely. In classic M style, variable sport steering adds to the impression of exceptional agility at the wheel of the BMW M240i. It comes with electromechanical power assistance and adapts the steering angle of the front wheels to the prevailing driving situation. This allows lightning-fast evasive maneuvers but also produces a sensation of excellent directional and straight-line stability in motorway driving.